up, y'all? Hey. We're here in Chelsea, Meatpacking District, just finished up with our flower show.
Yeah, if you want to see the chaos, come check out my video.
Yep.
It's pretty insane.
Yep. The end of the flower show was something. But now we're gonna go on a food tour in Greenwich Village. We're gonna start at the Bleecker Pizza.
Bleecker Street Pizza.
We're gonna start at the Bleecker Street Pizza.
And then we're gonna go to Pommes Frites.
And then we're going to Lazy Sundays.
And today is a Sunday.
Yep.
Yeah, that works.
Very fitting. Alright, let's do this.
Let's go.
Yep. What is this?
It's a Friends apartment. This is the building where Friends was filmed in.
Friends, like the TV show.
Yes.
Yeah.
Monica's apartment.
Monica's apartment.
In Greenwich Village.
Yes.
That is cool. We are here at Bleecker Street Pizza, our first stop.
One of my favorite places in the city.
Yes.
You hungry? You hungry?
Yeah.
A whole pizza box of the Nonna Maria. Let's check it out. Ooh, I see fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, fresh tomatoes, and this cheese. Ooh, let's get.
Alright. What's so special about this pizza?
My question is
This is Kenneth's favorite pizza in New York City, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Yes. Hey look, it's the best pizza in New York for 3 years running by Food Network. But that's an old sign. Okay, let's eat. How is it?
Very fresh. Very tomatoey. If that's a word.
Big bite.
So good. A lot of tomato, like I said. Basil. Crisps perfectly. Holds up to the test of time. It's still my favorite place. And the breading is very crunchy.
I heard that the cheese is imported from Italy and it's like $1,000 a week to import it. It's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. We were all hungry.
You approve? I think the people work there are actually Italians. So.
This is John Barr's favorite too. In a separate video, John Barr said that this is his favorite pizza slice in all of New York City as well.
Shout out to John Barr.
Yeah. Shout out to John Barr as well, introducing me to this place.
Oh.
Greenwich Village has a lot of pizza places. Like Joe's Pizza is here. I don't know what else.
John's a beat with Bleecker Street.
I usually don't eat pizza when I come here.
Yeah.
We'll show you the other places we're gonna eat at later.
Yeah. Overall, it's not very salty, and I think everything is very natural. What else can we say about pizza?
Delicious. New York City classic. You know, can't have New York City experience without having a slice of pizza.
This is good.
And what would you rate this out of 10 among all the pizzas?
This would be like a 9.5. Really. Yeah. I gotta have some room for improvement. That's why I don't rate 10. You know.
That was good.
I'll give it a 8.5. What would you give it?
Maybe an 8. Because, but that's because I'm not like the hugest fan of pizza, but this is really good. But I love artichoke pizza. It's so good.
Yo!
Vlog. Yeah, wait, no. This is cute. Look at you. Hi, nice to meet you. I watched your vlog when I got engaged.
Yeah.
That was a fun one.
Oh yeah, they watched the whole thing.
Wow.
How are you, Melissa? Finished with the pizza.
Yeah. We're on the next spot.
Oh, and actually we're going to Saigon Shack. I know that wasn't in the original plans, but
I love Saigon Shack.
yeah, we're gonna get some banh mi.
Alright.
I say it right.
See some commotion. We're gonna investigate. Yep, it's a block party.
Is everyone invited?
I don't think we're invited.
No?
I guess we'll just go to Saigon.
Yep. Oh, so it's for the neighborhood.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's so cute. There's so many young people living here, huh?
Oh, wow.
We have to get an Airbnb here.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty much.
to qualify.
Dude, this line
so
is
busy.
so long. I wonder how long it is. And where's the line?
Is there a reservation thing?
Yeah, because if there's a reservation, we'll write our name down, go to Pommes Frites, and then come back after we eat there.
I'm down.
Good idea. It's Pommes Frites right down the block.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Pommes Frites first, and then Hello Saigon. It's really crazy.
Sounds good.
All right.
Regular, large, double. We're gonna get the regular today.
Because we have to have room to fit the other foods we're going to eat today. After touching all that money, make sure to wash your hands.
Appreciate it.
Woo.
All right.
Go over your dish right there. Yeah.
You hungry again, Kenneth?
I'm looking at them like, which sauce I try.
Nice thing about eating here is that if you don't have anywhere to put it, you put it in these holes. Easy to share between people.
And this place is known for the sauces?
Yes, there's 30 sauces here. We have the beef special sauce, so it's a combination of the ketchup and the sweet sauce and raw onions. And we have other sauces too. I mean, there's other sauces too, which we didn't get.
Yeah, they got stuff like pesto and like weird flavors too, like wasabi, sweet chili, cheddar cheese, parmesan, pepper. Wow.
Yeah.
Really on the list.
I know.
And fun fact, this place got burned down a few years ago.
Fun fact, not fun.
Not fun fact, this place got burned down a few years ago.
Not a few years ago.
Fact.
Just so. It got burned down. It was originally located in East Village, and now they're in Greenwich Village. And yeah, it got burned down from a gas explosion.
Yeah.
So sad.
But now they're back stronger and better.
Dig in. I'm gonna get the special sauce. My favorite sauce of
I'm
all
gonna eat it
time.
without the sauce.
How is it without sauce?
Very potatoey, slightly salty, getting sweeter now.
How is it with the sauce?
Oh, really yummy.
Yeah, good aftertaste too. Tastes like a French fry except stronger.
A stronger French fry. I'm very
strong
curious.
French fry.
I'm gonna have a little one without any sauce also.
It's crispy on the outside, right?
Yeah, it's like savory fries. Really good.
And then inside is like soft and creamy.
Alright, now we go for the sauce.
Yeah. Also very good.
Yes.
I can't quite understand it. I'm gonna have to eat another one.
Okay. What do you think, Kenneth?
Kind of reminds me of like the Big Mac sauce.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Exactly, because the Big Mac has like the onions in there and ketchup.
I like it.
That
And
makes
it has
sense.
the mayo, mayo and ketchup, right?
That makes sense,
Yeah.
yes. Awesome.
Your turn.
So Pommes Frites is home of the authentic Belgian fries, and you know what makes these fries special? They're thick cut, and they're actually fried twice. The first time they fry it, it's to cook the fry, and then the second time to give it is to give it a nice golden color and make it crispy on the outside.
Wow.
Found out about that on the website, Pommes Frites website.
Oh, so it's not exclusive knowledge?
No.
Is a Belgian fry better than a French fry?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of like McDonald's French fries, I think because they're skinny. Hello.
Do you like McDonald's fries?
I can tolerate them, but they're not the best, you know. Be honest.
Yeah. See, someone agrees.
What was this sauce? The white one?
The frites sauce.
Oh, the freak one? You gotta try that one.
Yes.
Freak sauce.
I like the free sauce.
Oh, I gotta try this.
Tastes like mayo. Really?
It's like salty mayo.
Yeah.
Did you know that Pommes Frites has been open since 1997? So
No.
it's been 2 decades, over 2 decades now.
Wow.
Yeah, and they served it in these paper cones. They serve these fries, and these Belgian fries are super popular. They're Belgium's most popular street food. And now we get to enjoy it in New York.
That's awesome.
My favorite sauce is Eat Special.
Ah, the mix.
Yeah,
Okay.
mixed one, of course. It's like having a Big Mac without the.
Are you a ketchup person?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Well, my favorite sauce is the ketchup. I mean, my favorite sauce besides this, just in general, is I love ketchup.
Gotcha. Alright, we're done with fries. That was fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not bad, right? Alright, let's try Saigon Shack or Hello Saigon next. Alright. Kenneth, what you got for us?
Hello Saigon. This place is awesome.
He says that this is a good alternative for when the wait is long for Saigon Shack, which it was.
Yeah.
And this is just around the corner.
Yep.
Sometimes places are too hyped up anyway.
Yeah. This is what happens when you go to a food place and the place you expect to go to was too busy or plans fell through. You go to alternative, and there's a good alternative.
Yes, ActionKid has been here a few times before.
Yeah, a few times before.
We're gonna switch table because this one's kind of dark.
Yes.
Yeah. Much better, much better.
This is the papaya and mango salad with the grilled pork chops on top and the peanuts. Yeah, it's healthy. I'm excited for it. It's something different from our usual Vietnamese foods.
Thank you.
It was your eye.
It was.
This is huge.
Okay, let's take some cake.
$11 for this. It's worth it.
It was
14.
13. Oh, one of those numbers.
Yeah.
By now, we should be Vietnamese food experts.
Yes.
I know. After your video.
We've eaten, this is the third time we've eaten Vietnamese food this past week. 3 times in 1
Wow,
week.
you're right.
It's crazy. That's why I ordered something different. I ordered the Vietnamese papaya mango salad, which we haven't had in the last 2 Vietnamese restaurants.
Yes. Myself, I could eat this for the rest of my life, just like Brian. What about you,
Me,
Kenneth?
I it was the same thing. First time I had Vietnamese food this week.
Oh.
Nice.
Alright, so with the pho, we have to throw these in there. You want to do the honor?
Oh, should we do thingy again?
Nah, too much work.
Okay.
Actually, maybe. Alright, slow-mo time. Papaya salad looks good. Kenneth and I, we both got the pho.
I'm gonna try to eat this entirely with my left hand.
New talent he's discovering.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, let's dig in, guys. Alright guys, that was a great dinner.
Yes.
There's too much food.
There's so
we
much.
have food comas now.
I couldn't finish mine. So much food today.
Yeah, so we're definitely not getting bubble tea today.
Yeah, no lazy Sunday. We're the lazy Sunday right now. Just eating too much.
So no lazy Sundays today and no Saigon Shack today, but we'll save that for another video in the future. And next time we'll go to Washington Square Park as well.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you, Kenneth, for joining
Alright.
us.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
joining.
Hope it was fun.
If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, please check out Action Kids video, please check out Benjamin Q's the daily vlogs.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the plug.
You are very welcome. Shameless plug. And yeah.
Till next
Have
time.
a good day.
Right.